Next we'll go over installing SteamCMD, which is the backbone of Connexus, and without it he simply cannot function. SteamCMD can be installed in two different ways when working with Connexus, manual and automatic. A manual installation is the standard reliable method, and so far I haven't encountered issues having it work with Connexus. The automatic method is made possible because Connexus queries SteamCMD before downloading mods to pass along credentials. In doing so, this triggers a check in SteamCMD that ensures you have the most up-to-date version, which includes a full download and installation. Please be aware that only the manual install is supported and will be the only SteamCMD installation covered in this video. If you'd like more information about the automatic method, check out the wiki or user's guide. To get started, you'll first need to download SteamCMD from the Steam Dev Wiki. Extract the executable to somewhere easy to find. I would recommend somewhere like c:/SteamCMD, which the wiki also recommends. Also keep in mind what kind of drive you have. Personally, my C drive is an SSD, so I installed SteamCMD to my D drive. Technically, you shouldn't be making enough writes to the drive to cause problems, but I like to err on the side of caution. I also recommend sticking to installing somewhere without spaces in the path name. Starting with version 1.4.0, I've put some checks in place to hopefully safeguard against this being an issue, but I can't promise that it'll work as intended. Once the archive is extracted, you'll need to open a command prompt, which is easy enough in Windows 10. Just type CMD into the search bar and hit enter, or click on the command prompt entry. Next, in the window that opens up, type cd c:/SteamCMD if you've installed SteamCMD to your C drive, or for example, d:/enter, then cd d:/SteamCMD if you've installed it to your D drive. Most important is that the cd command directs the command prompt to the specified directory, whereas a drive letter and colon tell it to go to the specified drive. Once you've set your directory, type steamcmd.exe, hit enter, and SteamCMD will start installing. After a little while, the installation will finish, and what will show in the SteamCMD location will just say Steam. Now you need to enter your credentials, so type in login space your username space your password, then hit enter. This is where you'll need a Steam card code, as you'll be prompted for this shortly. That'll be sent to whatever email is associated with your Steam account. Just copy and paste that into the command prompt, hit enter, let SteamCMD finish, and you're done with installation.